fumbling over your hashtags? Stop. Here are our tips and tricks for getting the most out of hashtags and using them effectively across your social media channel. Our biggest tip is be consistent. Use capitalization right. So for example, if you were going to use the hashtag Flashback Friday, make sure that both F's are capitalized. Another one of our biggest tips is to use the right hashtags. You want to use hashtags that represent your brand, but also what you're talking about. With the marketing GP, we might use hashtag PMGP. We might also use hashtag marketing and maybe even hashtag hashtags, as this is the video that we're talking about. And above all, know what works for each platform. At the end of the day, you don't want to overdo it. Less is more. And that's our top tips.